Right, we're back. Thunder Bowl. Now at Bolero Center, but we're in here. Chris already bowled practice. He's on A squad. I'm on B. We apparently have to submit for our squad request, so we're not in the same squad this year. But we are bowling with BJ. We're bowling next to Kev and Nick, and yeah, it'll be fun. I've had about a week to practice. Practiced pretty hard. It's feeling a little bit better. My hand's a little more forward. Worked on some things that I really need to work on. Just another week. We're going to try to keep the expectations a little low, focus more on enjoying the process, getting better. I mean, this is, like we said in the last couple of videos, a lot of growing pains right now, just going through a lot of things that I haven't had to deal with the last half of my professional career. It's feeling a lot more like the first couple of years at the moment. So the fact that we've gotten 3 checks so far and things are going a little bit better and faster than anticipated, we should focus on that and a little less on when it's bad, because things are going to be bad sometimes, even when you're bowling good, even at the top of your game. So gotta just kind of brush that off and move on. And here we are, fresh. It's cold outside. It's really nice back home. We hit some golf balls before I left, and it was 75 degrees. So I was kind of sad to leave that, but we're out here to do a job. We're out here to play well, and yeah, today's practice. So 44 feet, they got a little hourglass action. By the time you guys have seen this video, you've probably seen the pattern, and you're all probably thinking, oh, how do you play this pattern? Well, we're just gonna go out there and throw some shots, see what happens. We'll make our adjustments as we do. With that being said, let's practice. Alright, no recap yesterday, but we're here for Chris's first qualifying block. It's very early. We left the house at 6:15. I bowled at 12:30. We're staying a little bit away, so that's why. And we're on separate squads, so that doesn't work out too well. But it might work out, mostly for me. Maybe a little less for Chris because he doesn't need to help as much. But anyways, Chris is bowling. During roll call, we get to watch for a little bit. And we'll film some shots of Chris. Add some value to the videos. To watch some good bowling. But anyways, we didn't draw anything. I've been practicing on last year's Masters pattern, and the shapes are more or less the same. You gotta play pretty straight, play pretty far to the right. Hopefully that practice pays off, but I figured I had to roll the ball a little more. I worked on some different things. So yeah, leave a comment down below if you're wondering what those things are, because I'll probably forget to mention them. So yeah, here we go.
We will cut the field down to our top 63 players and our defending champion.
I felt very okay about that bowling. I'm 15 under, probably going to be about 60 out, maybe a little more. So we're still in there. We didn't ball ourselves out. First pair was kind of tough for me and BJ, at least. The other two guys in our pair did all right. But after that, we clawed our way back. A couple 180s, a couple games over 200. Put us pretty close to even. Yeah, Ion Pro almost the whole time. They are not easy, but we get to bowl in the fresh the next 2 days. So different game plan, different, basically just a different everything. So hopefully we can find it quick, make some good shots. Made a lot of good shots today, which I'm very happy about. Keep that in mind moving forward and stay open-minded. And yeah, I feel good.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Hi, Dad.
Hello.
We need some better scores today.
I think they're out there.
Well, you got some sleep. Good to go.
Finally. Dude, I went to bed at 8 o'clock last night.
I wish I did.
It's beautiful.
I feel way more tired than yesterday.
I was falling asleep everywhere. Like, I fell asleep on the couch while we were just sitting there like an old man. I was like, God. You went to bed pretty early last night. I know. So I was like, all right, I got to take a shower. I got to get moving so I don't fall asleep at 6:45. Bug did the same thing.
Are you gonna throw the black?
I came downstairs.
No,
to,
I'm not.
Like, to make
So
my
does that mean I
nighttime
don't throw
drink.
the
That was
black
only, like,
storm?
9.
I mean, you
It was pitch
can.
black.
You just. I don't know if I would if I were you.
God, nobody. I kind of want to prove everybody wrong.
You can try it.
I'm gonna try it, at least in practice.
At least I'm not as short as. Okay.
All right, well, we're minus 15. The cut's plus 47, and honestly, we got a good pop. We just gotta ball some good games today, and hopefully the scores reflect that. But yesterday I felt good. I mean, it's not a great score, but I felt good about bowling. So that's different from the World Series so far. So let's continue that trend. All right, well, minus 26 that block. I feel like we're kind of close. Execution wasn't quite as good as yesterday, and the lanes were a little more all over the place. I have a couple of 160s in there, one per block so far, so if we can avoid that tomorrow and put up maybe 260, that'll give us a look. But we're probably gonna need, I mean, it'll be a lot easier to tell because we bowl C squad tomorrow, or the late squad. But I'm guessing 150 over gets us in. That put me at 110. I think the cut's like 50, high 50s after our squad this morning, so I would think it's gonna get to like 70-ish. But we'll see. We'll see. All we can do is go out there and play. I feel much better about my bowling. Yeah, I'm throwing it better. Spares are good. Just gotta figure out the lanes a little faster and execute some shots. So yeah, Chris bowls tonight, so we'll be back. Final day of qualifying here at the Masters. Chris made the cut on the burn squad. He bowled really good. Got to 120 something over. He's in there soft. We need 140 over, I think, to be in there soft. Number's currently 79. Don't think it's going to move a ton. But we're currently 40 under. So 120 gives us a chance. 130, a little bit better chance. 140, I think we are in there like swimwear. I'm going to try to throw the urethane balls. We'll see what they look like in practice. And then we'll go from there. Right, Dad?
Yep.
Just a touch. I deserve that. All right, well, that was our best score. I feel like that was the hardest playing block as well. I just don't feel very good about it. I think I trapped myself into thinking I had a chance, and I did. But, I punched out the 10th of 219 the last game, and I just don't feel like it was a very well-bowled game, so it didn't feel very good. But this event was definitely better than the World Series, so we'll take that as a plus, and we'll move forward. We got another week to practice, so that's pretty big. Probably going to go home as soon as I can so I can start getting reps in and get ready for the players because we got that and then the TOC after. We'll see if we can do something there. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It helps us out a ton. And, oh yeah, I got a discount code on tvbowlingsupply.com, DTANG5 for 5% off. So if you guys want a little bit off a brand new bowling ball or whatever you want to get on that website, head on over.